If your Amazon orders are stuck in processing, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. It's usually due to payment authorization issues, inventory storages or shortages, or even system glitches. So the first thing you want to do is head into your profile, then click on account. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and tap on wallet on the top, and then simply go ahead and remove your card and add it again. You can also go ahead and contact your bank to go ahead and authorize the payment. If that is not the case, then you might need to contact your customer service. Simply go ahead and scroll all the way down, click on contact customer service, scroll one more time to all the way to the bottom. And then this is where you can simply go ahead and click on contact customer service, and then you'll get a chat feature where you can simply go ahead and talk to them. You can also go ahead and find your specific problem and solutions here. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.